The Australia. Host, excited. Our first stop on this Australian odyssey is the iconic Sydney Opera House. It's not just an architectural masterpiece, it's a symbol of art, culture, and the city itself. Join us as we explore its history, its stunning design, and the world-class performances that grace its stages. Host, awestruck. Next up, we take the plunge into the mesmerizing world of the Great Barrier Reef. This natural wonder is a true marine paradise, offering snorkeling and scuba diving experiences like no other. Get ready to encounter vibrant coral gardens and a kaleidoscope of marine life that will leave you breathless. Uluru, Ayers Rock. Host, respectful. Our journey continues to the heart of the outback, where we discover Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock. It's not just a rock, it's a spiritual and geological wonder. Join us as we witness the magic of Uluru, especially during its breathtaking color transformations at sunrise and sunset. Great Ocean Road. Host, adventurous. Now, fasten your seatbelts as we hit the road on the Great Ocean Road. This coastal drive is an adventure lover's dream, featuring the 12 Apostles, pristine beaches, and lush rainforests. Get ready to be wowed by the sheer beauty of this Australian gem. Kangaroo Island. Host, curious. Our next destination is Kangaroo Island, a wildlife haven like no other. Here, we'll interact with Australia's incredible creatures in their natural habitat: kangaroos, koalas, and sea lions. Get ready for a dose of cuteness and a nature-filled adventure. The Tasmanian Wilderness. Exploratory, venture with us into the untamed Tasmanian wilderness. This rugged landscape is a playground for nature enthusiasts, offering untouched beauty, unique wildlife, and a chance to reconnect with the great outdoors in its purest form. Host, cultural. Last but not least, we explore the cultural heart of Melbourne, the laneways. These hidden alleys are adorned with vibrant street art, cozy cafes, and a thriving art scene. Join us as we uncover the soul of Melbourne through its captivating laneways. Host, inviting. There you have it, fellow adventurers, our whirlwind tour of the top 7 things and places to explore before traveling to Australia. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, Australia has something extraordinary in store for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling adventures from Travel Passionia TV. Until next time, keep exploring. Australia by Travel Passionia TV.